Well, hello, and we're back at it again with level 20 to get to level 21. This video, I tried to switch up my edits a little different. So, first, I want to go ahead and read um, the level goal. The level goal is there is a set UID binary in the home directory that does the following. It makes a connection to a local host on the port you specify as a command line argument. It then reads a line of text from the connection and compares it to the password in the previous level Bandit 20. If the password is correct, it will transmit the password for the next level Bandit 21. Note, try connecting to your own network daemon to see if it works as you think. So in this level, we're going to use two terminals. One terminal to be logged on to the level 20, and then another to be logged on to level 21 to see if we're able to match the password. Go ahead and log in to level 20. And like I tell you guys, watch my last video so you guys can get the last password. I'd really love for you guys to follow along and beat the levels one level at a time rather than jump in on this video and use little to no knowledge. We're going to use, let's see, we're going to use a set UID. Like I said, we're going to use a set UID, which would be SU Connect, which would be Super User Connect, I'm guessing. And I want to see what SU Connect does. So let's run it. This program will connect to the given port on localhost using TCP. If it receives the correct password from the other side, the next password is transmitted back. Great. So we did ls and we ran this set UID, and that's what we get. So let's see what ports are open on this local host for us to utilize So the ports that are open and listening would be these three ports. But we don't want to use them. We want to use one where it's open and not being used. So let's see. I know we're going to want to see what, since we're going to be using the network, let's see how to utilize the command nc, because nc is netcat, which is network connections where you can read and write data across using TCP or UDP protocols. The simplest usage creates a TCP connection to the given port on the given target host. So what we're going to be doing is using it to listen on a specified port. for us to say, hey, are you going to, we have this password for level 20. Listen out for this password on level 21 so that you can see if this is the same password. Okay? Okay. Very useful manual page. So let's quit that with the letter Q. And I want to use the open port 2000 just because it's in a good range. If you notice, we've been using like 3001, 2220. So I say the port 2000 would do just fine for us to listen and play on. So right now, network casting is listening on the port 2000. Now that it's listening, we're going to go to this next terminal and log on to level 20 because we don't have access to level 21. So we're going to have to say SU connect 2000. And now that we are running the super user connection on the port 2000, we're going to say, hey, send this password back over here. Now that we sent it over there, to say, hey, listen for this password, we're going to put the password here. And I think I messed it up. What we want to do is listen on the port and enter the password. And then we come back over here and say, sending password matches, sending next password. But we had to say, hey, listen to this password. So we had to listen for the password first, which was on this side here. And then we came to the next terminal over here and called for it so that I could read it. Then it displays a message saying, yeah, cool. The password matches. Let's send you the next password to the next level. And that is how we got the password for level 21. Pretty simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this level. Stay tuned for level 21. It's very easy, but it will be the new setting block for our next subject of learning. See you guys on the next video.